Dear friends, the board exam schedules are already out and you are all preparing hard for the annual examination, and at the same time your parents are worried about various career options for you. As far as plus 2 students are concerned, the best career option for a plus 2 student would be National Defence Academy. This is the only career option that is available to you with a qualification of plus 2, wherein you can become a class 1 gazetted officer. And if you are aspiring for a career in Defence Forces, the best option is to join National Defence Academy. And Sarathi Center for Excellence is carrying out the crash course for both the examination that is conducted for in the month of April as well as for September 2023. So, though if you go in for a coaching program, initially you would be able to appear for the April examination, and if you are not able to make it, then your preparation for September examination will automatically continue at least till the month of July. And that will keep you in good stead for doing well in the entrance examination for National Defence Academy. Sarathi Center for Excellence is commencing its crash course program on 3rd of April 2023, and it will continue till the end of the second NDA entrance examination in the month of September. And once you join that, the additional benefit that you are going to accrue from the course conducted by Sarathi Center for Excellence is that you will be given preparatory course for SSB interview as well, where the psychological tests are conducted, where interview tips are given, personality development programs are carried out, the leadership training is imparted, and also there will be a lot of avenue for improving your communication skill as well. So, Sarathi Center for Excellence is starting its crash course program on 3rd of April, so you may join accordingly. And Sarathi Center is offering a lot of scholarship for meritorious students. We will be conducting tests accordingly and will be awarding scholarships in that. So you can avail that also once you come for the crash course. Thank you.